Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's gonna be a vacation vlog. We went to Medellin and Cartagena and we had an amazing time, and I wanted to share the experience with you. You guys, so we just landed here in Medellin. We're making the real line. Well, the phones had to be off, so catch you guys later. In Medellin, we decided to stay in this beautiful Airbnb. It was perfect for us. We were 3 couples and we had an amazing time. We have everything we needed, and the best part was this beautiful view, you guys, of the Medellin city. It was amazing. Night in Medellin, we went to this beautiful restaurant slash bar in Provenza, and it was called El Gato. And let me tell you guys, every drink was amazing. Like, they were just so good and so fancy, and everything was super affordable. And here I am enjoying this little drink, you know. I've always been a fan of Colombian food, but in Colombia, it's another level. Everything was just amazing. This is the Provenza city. It's pretty much like a whole strip full of restaurants and bar. It was pretty packed. It was the weekend. And then we went to another rooftop. We just literally just went bar hopping, you guys, and we had an amazing time. And this is a face I made when they made me take shots. Yeah, not a good face. It's day 2. I am ready for the day. I'm going to show you my outfit right now. It is a beautiful morning. We really have a really nice view of Medellin. And today we're going to city tour, you guys. We're going to go around the city and get to know the it spot here and, you know, the history. So I'm super excited, and I will take you guys all along with me today. But yeah, it's such a beautiful day. This is the fit of the day. We're in this cute lace short, this top here, and this late sneakers. Taxi and headed to Comuna 13, which was one of the most dangerous neighborhood in Medellin, Colombia. And right now they made it a tourist place where we could go and explore and learn some of the history of that neighborhood. And it's just a bunch of colorful stuff, graffitis all over the place, very interesting and beautiful view, and of course some good yummy drinks like this michelada, the mango. It was amazing, you guys.
Improviso, es que este pana se demasiado bacano y tiene pinta que es dominicano. Pero siento que lo amo. Ey, ¿sabes cómo es eso? Tú sabes que mira, por aquí buscamos los ingresos. Vas a grabar. Si una pregunta, ¿tú eres modelo? Debería de serlo, con bonita cara, con bonito pelo, parece como un ángel caído como del cielo. Y que Dios te bendiga, para que tu relación siempre dure toda la vida. Porque él es tu esposo, por razón que se llama su hermoso. Se parece como el de la saga de Rápidos y Furiosos. De Rápidos y Furiosos.
After we were done with Comuna 13, we have to take a tour on the metro cable. I think that's what they call, I'm not sure, but it was amazing, and I love the view that you get while you're on it. So Sunday night we went out to eat. This is the outfit of the night. Everything is from Shein, even the shoes, to this restaurant called Los Santos. It was Mexican cuisine and it was delicious, from the drinks to the food. Everything was amazing, and they have live mariachi on that day. So we are out here waiting for the tour. It's like 6:30 in the morning and I am restless because I got no sleep last night. Yeah, so we're just waiting here. The hobby went with my brother to get breakfast somewhere or coffee, I don't know. And we're just standing here, me and Steph, waiting. On Monday, we took a tour to Guatape. We took a bus there. The first stop was Colombian breakfast, like traditional paisa breakfast, I guess. So I got my hot chocolate over here, my eggs with tortilla, plátano maduro, cheese. You guys, this was so good. I could eat that breakfast every day, honestly. So here's the El Old Penol, I think that's how they call it. We dressed as paisas, I think that's what it was. It was super cute. We took pictures and then we headed out to the next tour portion, which was a ride on a boat that we're gonna take us around this beautiful scenery and also some of the old houses that belong to, of course, Pablo Escobar. So yeah, the guys really enjoy that tour. And we made it to El Peñol, which the view was stunning, you guys. And it's a mountain with more than 735 steps. But let me tell you, I made it without my asthma pump. So I'm very proud. I went all the way up and it was totally worth it. Made it. And I'm barely breathing, you guys. What? What? But I did it. I did it.
650 calones subí.
No.
Siento que subí nada más 5.
Okay. So we made it to Cartagena. We just got here. It's hot over here. The total opposite of Medellin. But we here. So here's a room tour. We stay at the Intercontinental in Cartagena. It was a beautiful hotel, very clean. Everything was perfect. I had no complaints and I have a lot of recommendations because the food was amazing in the restaurant at the hotel, the pool service, the drinks, everything was super good, you guys. If you visit Cartagena, definitely consider this hotel. Look at the beautiful, gorgeous view. The first night in Cartagena, we went to a rooftop bar, and the next morning we headed on a boat tour that was going to take us to different islands like Isla del Rosario, Bora Bora, different islands, and we had a great time. My favorite part, you guys, was definitely the fresh seafood. It was everything. Did I tell you guys? Look at this octopus, fish, tostones, lobster tails. It was amazing. And of course, I have to braid the hair because the hair was getting out of control and they did an amazing job braiding the hair. Then the guys and one of the girls went into the banana boat, and then we did a city tour. There wasn't much to see in Cartagena, I feel, but it was great to still do the city tour and learn some of the history. It was so pretty. And then it was my birthday. This is a birthday fit, you guys. And we went to a rooftop, have a couple of drinks. It had beautiful views, and then we headed to my birthday dinner, which it was at this restaurant that it was all fresh seafood, and it was totally worth it. I ended up having this lobster, and it was so yummy. And that was pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this mini vlog of my vacation, and I will see you all on the next video. God bless.